Hey everyone, here's my video project 2 reflection. I have my written instructions and my video pulled up. I'll answer the questions. The first question says, why did you create instructions for the topic that you chose? Did you learn something new about your topic during the course of this project? Okay, let's see. Why did you create instructions? The topic of my project was iPhone and Apple Watch tips and tricks. Um, I mean, Mainly instructions for this would be more of a visual standpoint, as it was better when I did my video, but at the same time, written instructions do play a big part. The reason being is that Apple has based off their products as a way of connecting with basically disabled or accessible to multiple different types of people all around, either for hearing or vision, any type of that stuff. You basically can use an iPhone or an Apple Watch for any basic needs that you need to fall under your certain restraints that you may have. So I think written instructions do play a big part in that. And I chose it because so I could have a little bit more detail of stuff that I missed in the video. Did you learn something new? I did learn a lot of stuff new. I do know a lot of iPhone, Apple Watch, MacBook tips and tricks, but some of these I definitely never knew, and it was fun to discover new ones. Second question was, what was the purpose for your specific video, and how did your piece achieve its purpose? The purpose of my project 2 was just to get people more involved in the iPhone and Apple Watch community, to help give a different path of knowledge and to help learn these cool tips and tricks that can basically be found anywhere, and there's so many. Who was your audience? My audience would be anybody that owns an iPhone or owns an Apple Watch and an iPhone. I know I have a MacBook tips and tricks, so somebody that owns a MacBook. How did your audience impact your choice of medium? This was not really that hard because everybody uses iPhones, everybody uses Apple, and it was really easy to connect on that standpoint. Why was your audience the best choice for your audience purpose? I answered that one. What else would you like from me? I would think as our instructor looking over my project, I would just like to know of an understanding of how effective this is towards, I would say, you, how you, if you read over some of these that are specifically for the iPhone, and if you try them out, how effective on a scale would you say that you would actually use some of these tips and tricks in everyday life? I know they're tips and tricks and they're fun to watch, but I want to actually know like how many people actually use these on a daily basis, if it makes their life a whole lot easier.